Hello guys, I'm Lucien from Noblelift. Today I'm glad to introduce you our OPL25N, a truck specially designed for efficient low-level order picking. OPL25N is powerful and steady when accelerating or decelerating thanks to the German sharp Mueller AC drive motor and Italian Zappi controller. Additionally, its electric power steering and the multifunctional control handle make driving convenient and efficient. Fourpoint structured floating shock absorption platform and the rubber pads minimize the vibration. The ergonomically curved backrest can efficiently avoid driver's fatigue. The side-pole battery design allows quick and easy replacement. It provides various optional configurations such as extension bracket, caution lights, blue lights, entry rollers, storage tree, double USB charging ports, etc. OPL25N, with its exceptional power performance, ultimate driving comfort, convenient maintenance design, and comprehensively functional upgrades, is your best choice for low-level order picking.